Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to rename or change a disk drive letter in Windows. No software needed, just a few clicks. This is super useful if you want to organize your drives or fix a drive letter conflict. Let's get into it. First, go ahead and open File Explorer. You can do that by clicking the folder icon on your taskbar or pressing the Windows key +E on your keyboard. Once it's open, click on this PC in the left sidebar. This will show you all your connected drives and partitions. Now, right-click on this PC, or whichever drive letter you've assigned, and from the context menu, select Manage. Go ahead and click that. A new window will open. This is called Computer Management. Give it just a moment to load up. Inside Computer Management, look at the left panel and click on Disk Management. Once you select it, you'll see a list of all the partitions on your disk displayed right here. Now, find the drive partition you want to rename. In this example, we're changing Drive East to Drive D. Right-click on it, and select Change Drive Letter and Paths from the menu. A small window will pop up. Click the Change button. Another dialog will appear. This is where you assign the new drive letter. Under Assign the following drive letter. Use the drop-down box to select the letter you want, in our case D. Then click OK. Windows will warn you. Some programs that rely on drive letters might not run correctly. Do you want to continue? Just click Yes to confirm. Don't worry too much about this. It only really affects programs that were specifically installed to that drive letter. And that's it. The new drive letter will be assigned immediately. You can see it has already updated right here in Disk Management. No restart needed. And that is it for today's video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks just like this one. See you in the next video. Take care.